try a bit of a different one this evening. Absolutely beautiful evening. Just out doing what I normally do, looking for the red kites. And well, it's hard. I'll show you. I'll put this on the screen later. This is what I'm currently watching, and we'll be able to put a little video of that a little later. Absolutely beautiful bird. The colours on that. Let me just switch cameras so you can see the actual colours. There it is. Beautiful, isn't it? We'll get more of a video on that a little later. I just want to get a few shots of this. Hopefully we'll get a few more landing in this evening as the sun goes